So what I'm gonna do today is add an extension to this piece right here. So as you see, it's just dripping straight down onto the frame rail, and it goes all the way down and drips down here, or it could go down the inside the frame rail, depending if you're still driving or not. So what I did was I just turned the wheel all the way to the left so I can access inside a little bit better. And then the items that I grabbed was a brass fitting, 3/8 size, and the hose, obviously, to connect and extend it. I bought 2 feet of hose. Looks like I probably could get away with a foot. And then with this one, could save some money by buying the plastic one, because obviously it doesn't heat up or anything, it's just dripping. You can save some money by buying a vinyl hose as well, but the inside diameter is gonna be 3/8. And yeah, that's basically it. So try to do this with one hand. So you guys get the gist of it. So after this video ends, I'm gonna push it all the way in and then reattach this other hose to the other end, and then just run it down to the side so it could just drip freely away from the frame. There is another person that sells it for $8. I think it's pretty worth it because they give you zip ties, 90-degree fitting, and the hose itself. Yeah, just for $8. But yeah, like I said, if you want to save some money, way more money, then use a plastic barb fitting to connect the 2 hoses, 3/8, and use a smaller, shorter hose. So my cost was like $9 for the brass fitting itself and the 2 feet of fuel hose. So thanks for watching, guys.